Printer's broken. I'm gonna have to fix it. It's been too long since it's been up and running, and I'm starting to get annoyed. Okay, yeah, looks like that's our in. Fuck. Okay. Which Allen key is the right one for this? Alright, so I pretty much just gave up eventually and just ended up trying to just clear the fucking silicone, because I figured out it's just silicone. They didn't secure they didn't secure the thermistor with a fucking set screw like a sensible company Prusa would do. So I just kind of took this fucking flathead, jammed it in there, just started unscrewing, and this fucking thing came out. So we're just gonna replace that, act like nothing happened. I'll put some glue in there eventually because I don't have any on me. And put this back, this is the heating element, put this back into place and put the one whole set screw that I have for it in there. I'm sure this will go swimmingly with that fucking with that thermistor in there without any fucking silicone to keep it in place, because they didn't bother to design their heat block to secure it with the set screw. But you know, it is what it is. I'm sure that'll be fine. Alright, despite my lacking preparation, this was in fact a success. So I'm gonna go ahead, plug it in, and we'll get it running. Plug in that power cable. There we go. And turn it on. Come on, spring to life. I know you want to. Unless I fucked up. Ah, cable. That was the problem. Alright. And there she boots. Well, despite how incredibly scuffed this was, at least it's booted. Alright. Temperatures. Come on, what's the temperature? Ooh, that is getting quite hot. Hey! And it is in fact working. We have a correct reading. Damn, what the fuck? Is somebody getting murdered? Ah, well, what can you expect in this part of town? Well, hey, it's working now, and this should be good to go. And that is the incredibly scuffed way to install a new thermistor into the Creality Ender 3 S1. This was so fucking stupid. I had hiccups every step of the way. God damn. Probably because I just wasn't prepared.